Hi, my name is Vanessa and I'm with Nature's Way Resources. A lot of questions that we get as well are shade plants. I would like something in the shade that blooms, not just something green. Well, we have several different options. We have your lovely coleus. Coleuses come in all different colors. They are perennials, not evergreens. They do have a small flower. They come back every year. Mine came back this year. They look amazing. We also have your potato vines. We've got your black potato vine and your green potato vine. Both of these are lovely additions to your garden. They do very well in the shade. Mine also have come back this year and they look amazing. The other favorite that I have, and we have this in our front planters as well, is the oxalis. Oxalis is a beautiful plant. It will die back in the freeze, but it comes back easily every spring. If every time it dies back, it comes back pretty quick. Probably one of the first ones that come back every year. The other fan favorite is obviously impatiens. Those do great, especially for the people in the woodlands that have no sun at all. And then a very nice evergreen that does excellent is the tractor seat. This is a fan favorite as well. It shoots up a beautiful yellow stalk with yellow daisies on it, and it lasts a very long time. This grows out, and it is an eye catcher for sure. Anybody that has one of these knows how lovely these are. I think all of these would be amazing additions to your garden and your yards.